Hopefully everyone was able to skip ads and you're in here now. What? What is going on right now? Guys, remember everybody how they were all nervous this morning? AMC sitting at a beautiful $39 per share. I know what it was. I know it's the fact that we went out and we bought some shares, compliments of 1111 Simon, Grandpa Barney, and Spider Claude there. Thank you guys so much. I'm already making like 20 bucks on that, so it's looking very good right now. I removed my checkmate on what? I don't even know what you're removing checkmate on now. This is incredible. $39.35. For those of you that thought AMC was only going to go down today, $33. $33.70. Look at this run. Look at this run right here. That is beautiful. That is beautiful. Currently up 10%. We were at $41.50 a minute ago. I believe it was somewhere around 16% higher on the day. Looking absolutely delicious. I know you guys got to be feeling good. I know you guys got to be wondering what's causing the run up. And I don't know, okay? I don't know if it's the fact that, banks need more money on hand in the coming days. I don't know if this was a breakout of or a bounce off that $34 level, and then we ended up shooting higher. Nobody can pinpoint exactly why the buying pressure is coming in, but a run from 33 to 41 is incredible. Next level of support, please. Absolutely, Nate. Listen, 38 is the level of support that we're at right now. So if we dip a little bit, 38.50 is the level we got out there. Apparently, we had a little bit of resistance at $41 per share, thanks to the day traders coming in there and capping our momentum at 41.50. So hopefully, we just take a nice second leg up and watch this bad boy continue to rip, man. This is what it's looking like right now. It seems like we may... I don't even know if that's going to be... I don't want to put it there. Actually, I want to put it... No. I like that better. Let's go with that one. Let's bounce off that bad boy and just rip higher into the close. Oh my goodness. All right, so that's delicious looking right there. What's happening, Clay? What's going on, Nicky89? How you doing? Love the stock. It's a love-hate relationship with the stock, isn't it, man? People love it, people hate it, but it is doing great. Most meme stocks had a run. And you know what, JMJ? I noticed the same thing, man. I was looking at my portfolio. Gamestop was running up, not as high as AMC. Sundial was running up. I didn't look at some of the other ones like BlackBerry and Naked and all those, but a lot of those quote-unquote meme stocks did seem to be running all at the same time there. Hopefully it continues, man. Hopefully it continues. That's all I got to say with that. Hopefully we see all of them go up, man. I know you guys are in a lot of them. GameStop, Farmy, AMC, Sundial, BlackBerry, all the good stuff. Grandpa Barney set a pair. There you go. And we're ripping into the 39.40 area. Buy and hold, family. Good and the bad. Clay is making money on. Hey, I'm already making like what, 20 bucks on those 6 shares. You guys are destroying it from earlier, man. Incredible. I cannot believe how quickly that run formed out of nowhere. Because I'm going to be honest, guys. I thought we were going to be down and retesting like the lower 30s and seeing off if we could bounce off there. But shoot, now we're back above $38 per share, looking very strong. Grandpa Barney, thank you once again, man. This is turning out to be a beautiful day so far. My goodness. We were at over 41. Jennifer, we were at over 41. Look at this. We ran out of nowhere from $33 a share all the way up to $41.50. Bounced back off a little bit. Now, hopefully we can sustain this upside movement. Even if we start to trend down, into the close, it should likely level off if we do. And then we're still closing 5-10% up on the day. Like, incredible. Big Ben, we're booming, baby. I'm loving it. A bot at 33. Very nice, Big Ben. Destroying it, man. Eating that. I know everybody out there that was eating up the dips this morning has to be feeling great right now. Like, how often do you get in, you buy the dip, and then all of a sudden you rip 15% from where you were buying the dips at, 20% from where you were buying the dips at. Incredible. Just getting started. Oh yes, and Megalotone, Brett, we are just getting started, man. No, I got you, Big Ben. I got you. Just bought the dip, man. Bought at 33. Now we are already ripping up past $38 per share. How many shares do you have, and how much did you buy for? So my average is in the 13s. I didn't go look at it, but it's in the 13s right now. I added a couple more shares today. Compliments of 1111 Mr. Simon, Claude, and Grandpa Barney. Total shares, we do not discuss total shares, but we are destroying it right now, man. I'm up at least 20 bucks on AMC, I can tell you that. Be better if Clay would read anything I send. Nick! I know it would be better if I read anything you sent, wouldn't it? Hi, Crypto, how are you? Where's Clay? Where's the hi, Clay? How are you? Hope no one sold at $33.79 this morning. Hedges and shills want you to sell low as possible, and that is fact. Calvary Hispanic Church, man, that is fact, yes. Did you buy the dip? Redline Sean. I think a lot of people in here bought the dip, man. Yes, I'm jealous. I didn't get it. Hey, Jennifer, it's all right. There probably will be opportunities for more dips, right? We don't know if it's going to continue on from here or not, but it's destroying it right now. It's cool because typically I buy and it goes down 15%, so this is just wild, man. Isn't it really? Isn't it really wild, though? Like, you get in today and all of a sudden you're up 15, 20%. Like, that's beautiful. Faith in AMC is strong right now, Philip. Yes, it is, man. Nice work, Big Ben. Absolutely, Grandpa Barney. Big Ben's destroying it this afternoon. Heck yeah, Clay. 1111 Simon. Heck yeah, man. I'm loving it right now. Up 3,000 on AMC on the day. Carson, yes. AMC surges as apes not leaving trends on Twitter. Beautiful, guys. Thunderous Thursday. Boom, Stacks Ape Nation. Absolutely. Clay, what do you think? It went up like... Yeah, that's the hard part to determine, man. Nobody knows why it went up like that. A lot of meme stocks went up, so I don't know if there was some sort of... covering of some of the shares, if the big banks are trying to get some capital available for tomorrow, if it has to do with the debt ceiling and people overall worried about the overall market pulling back, but loading up on some AMC and meme stock shares. You know, I don't know what the reason is, but we just know that there was an immense amount of buying during that time for one reason or another, right? We saw here... We were trading pretty steadily around 150 to 200,000 shares per 1 minute period. Now, 451, 1 million, 1 million, 900,000, 1.6 million, 1.8 million, 1.6 million, 1.9 million, 1.3 million. We're up to 80 million shares being traded on the day right now. It is clear that there was a lot of volatility and a lot of trades being made over the last, I don't know, I'd say, what is that, hour? I'm dumping my position in other companies so I can buy more AMC. RA stock. I see what you tried to do there, man. You tried to get us a little bit. He's dumping his position in other companies so he can put more into AMC. I love it, RA stock. Good deal, man. Tashi apes are strong, and we will ride that rocket all the way to the moon. I never thought my initial investment in December would turn into this, but I'm a proud ape, and I'm here for the squeeze and the movement average. $6. Cavilo, incredible average, man. That is awesome. I said AMC rise, and it did. Thank me later. Dude, I'll thank you right now, Stacks Ape Nation. Say it again, dude. Say rise again, man. What are you waiting on? Keep saying rise, dude. Keep telling it to rise. Sweet Talker stock, you rock. Love you. Absolutely, man. This stock is sweet talking that stock, baby. Just tell it to keep on keeping on. Tomorrow's October 1st. That's a huge day for a bank. So if we see the squeeze tomorrow, I want to say it was nice knowing you all, and I hope everyone uses their wealth for good and better life. Fruit Bowl. Hold on. Fruit Bowl, if this squeezes tomorrow, what you're saying is you're never going to see us again. You're leaving, and you're never going to hang out again. Dude, Fruit Bowl, I know you can go on a little rage, man, but don't leave us forever. That's just messed up, dude. We need you. Rise. Yes, thank you, Stacks Ape Nation. It shall rise. I'm also buying those momentum spikes, not just the dips. Nice, RA stock. Buying up everything. Thanks, Stacks. Dude, everybody thanks Stacks because he told it to rise, and it's going to rise again, man. Dude, I was wrong about you months ago. You rock. Hey, 207-300. You rock too, man. I don't know what you said about me months ago, but dude, thank you. Maybe, thank you. Grandpa Barney! Yes, Grandpa Barney! Pew, 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 pew! Grandpa Barney! Grandpa Barney! Grandpa Grandpa Barney. Thank you very much, Grandpa Barney. Thank you very much, Grandpa Barney, for the super sticker. I appreciate that, man. We are having a beautiful day with AMC today. It is looking delicious. Oh, my gosh. And thank you once again, Grandpa Barney, for the beautiful super chat there. Super sticker. That little lemon guy might be my favorite. Him and the little fox guy that do all the crazy things. I like both those guys. If the squeeze is tomorrow, I'll be here pretty much all day, every day, and not at work. Megalotone. Making commitments. I like it, Megalotone. Hang out with us instead of going to work, dude. It's a lot more fun here. Nobody wants to go to work. Everybody wants to hang out here and have some fun. That run felt so good. I'm going to definitely No, wrestler. Don't do that nonsense, man. We all need to have an ape reunion. Yes. What the heck happened? I saw it was at 35 and all of a sudden it's here with the... Yeah, dude. I think everybody was rage buying. I think everybody was just sick and tired of seeing the price in the 30s, so they're like, okay, let's go out and rage buy right now. So they all went out and just destroyed millions of shares a minute of buying that bad boy up and sending it higher. No sell, no sell, no sell, no sell. Yes, Neil, go see Venom 2 this weekend at an AMC. Yes, we love your fruit bowl. We do love your fruit bowl. Come on, hang out with us, man. So much fun. This is so much fun. My goodness, man. Aaron said, if you're an AMC Invest with Investor Connect, buy a one, get one free for Venom 2. Boom! There you go, guys. You got a ticket. Take a date to see some Venom 2 this weekend. Is it coming out tomorrow or is it coming out tonight? When's the release date on Venom 2? I don't know the release date on it, but shoot, man. Buy one, get one free. Take a date to AMC this weekend. AMC makes my, excuse me, Twilight? I don't even know. You are a fruit? Definitely act different when we are ripping. Me? Oh, come on, Redline Sean. I don't act any different when we're ripping. Me too. Will cancel all my plans. Are you talking about fruit bowl? I don't know who you're talking about now. Cancel all my plans for Friday and Monday. Nikki89. Just cancel all the plans for Friday and Monday and hang out here with us. Bro, the squeeze should be now. Flavio. I would love it if the squeeze is now. Flavio. It's a good name, man. Flavio. I like that. They're like Flavio. But you're a dude, Flavio. Happy birthday to Roblox. Anders. Clever, explosive zones in strength lie ahead, and a short covering stampede is likely as stock indexes crash during October. Hey, man, I don't know if they're going to crash or not, but I would love to see AMC rise either way. I'll be traveling the world with my bad mamacita while I tune into your live stream to pop in and say where I'm at. Luca. That sounds perfect, dude. That sounds perfect, because I want to say Luca is over in... where is he at, man? Luca's in Barbados right now with a bad mamacita. Sipping on the beach. Or sipping on the beach. I guess you could be sipping on the beach, but chilling on the beach, sipping on some drinks right there, enjoying his afternoon. I can't wait. Luca, you gotta know, man. We all do. I'm totally numb to the AMC price action, but you're having a good time right now when it's ripping, aren't you? Bro, the squeeze is here. I sure hope so, Flavio. This is not the squeeze. Yeah, but I mean, anytime it does rip higher, it adds more risk to the hedge funds. That's what we want to see. More risk to the shorts every single day of the week. Clay, bought calls down near 35. They're up huge, M. James. I'm loving it, man. Don't give your profits back. If you bought calls for tomorrow, I don't know, man. You know the deal by now. Make as much money as possible. It's about 5 more to help spring off resistance. Very good, Raheem. I like it. Whoa, I haven't been in here forever. Chris! Why not, man? Where you been? Where you been hanging out with somebody else? Keep those counterfeits. Don't sell them in a panic just because we had a tiny run. SH. Nobody's selling in a panic here, man. Time to give the day traders a block for a week. Yeah, man. Nobody. Come on. Block the day traders. I don't know what I think that means. Block them, right? Clay, did the picture come through? Yeah, Nick. The picture came through of that squirrel storing like 100 pounds of nuts in that guy's truck. They expire in December. Dang, man. M. James is just ripping it. He ain't even worried about expiration dates. This dude is just destroying it here, going back to 35. Dre Sanchez, we could drop back down to 35, man. I don't know what this run's going to hold for us. We're at 38 right now. Hopefully we hold steady at the 38 level of support that we have. Let's move this bad boy up here. And, yes, it's going to... Orange line is going to act as support here, since it may seem like we may be looking at like an actual trend line on these higher lows that we have here. So let's see if that trend line plays out, or if we have some action on this support right here. Let's see what we got. Let's see. I'm glad I started hanging a year ago. In case it increased to. Oh my God, I don't even know what this dude's talking about. Affinity Fraud Securities and Exchange Commission versus Carol McCowan, Daniel Ryan, Meadow Vista Financial Corp, and Downshire Capital Civil Action. Interesting. Hey, Trement, what is the point of the lawsuit there? What are you telling us? Today's word is rise. Squeeze is coming soon. Word of the day is rise. Say it with me, everybody. Rise, man. Rise. Rise. Barbara, where were you? Where were you? What do you mean, Barbara? I love this roller coaster. Held and holding Space Ape Lord Mutu? Mother? I don't even know what that means, man. Block them from selling on their brokers. Now I gotcha. Hood has experience. They can do this also. Yeah, they probably could do that. I would love it if they blocked people from selling AMC, because then it would definitely go up in price. That is what I want to see. When's the squeeze, bro? You're the man, Clay. Sean, you're the man. Squeeze is tomorrow, dude. Squeeze is always tomorrow. Come on, Clay, bro. How about a 40-plus AMC close? Mike, if you would have told me 40-plus AMC close during the morning live stream, I would have said, dude, probably not. I'm going to be happy if we close somewhere around $34, $35 per share. And look where we're at now, dude. We're about to bounce off $38 per share, and we could be testing a $40 close. My wealth trade sold 44 shares. Kelly, parlay, error, maybe. I don't know. Did you have to take profit or anything on there from somewhere? It sounds really weird. Cassie says rise as well, guys. The word of the day is rise. We want to watch AMC stock rise into the close and close above 44. Close above $40 per share. No take profit, no stop loss. I wonder why it would have sold then. That's very weird to me. We will close at insert correct price. If I am right, I want a wrench. Sam, put your price out there right now, man. If you are right, you get a wrench, dude. I'll even give you a 5-cent swing on each side. Ooh, 5-cent swing on each side, man. That's a 10-cent range. What are you looking at, Sam? Get your name out there right now. Put it on the chart. 5-cent swing in either direction, and Sam could be getting a wrench right now. He's got to be right, though. Send Hood a DM to block the sell button. Easy peasy. Yeah, sell it right there. They probably would, and then people would freak out, man. I couldn't see before. Oh, well, now I can. Barbara, good deal. I could see you, but maybe you had to reload or something. Claybro, don't forget when you are rich and famous after Moas, first round on me. Nando, first round of lemonade, because I don't drink, man, but shoot. I'm not going to be famous ever, but we will all be rich, and we will all be hanging out. Big Ben, loving the stock, and my bros, I need a wrench. Big Ben wants a wrench, too. Everybody wants a wrench. 40.01 for Cassie. She's saying 40.01. She's going to be very tight, man. Let me think. Hey, no problem, man. You can think. You can think all the way up till 3:30 if you want. That's up to you, though. You can think all the way up till 3:30, or you can get it out now. But if you wait till after 3:30, you're not gonna get a 5-cent window. Big Ben says 39.50. Let's do it. First round of apple juice on Clay. Shoot, man, apple juice, lemonade, iced tea, whatever you guys want. Did the squeeze just happen, Chris? No, the squeeze did not just happen, man. Squeeze did not just happen. Trust me, the squeeze did not just happen. There wasn't even enough volume for the squeeze to have occurred. We've got 85 total million shares traded on the day, and I know I don't even want to say the majority of that happened in this area, but not enough for a squeeze to take place, man. Did shorts covering cause AMC to go green for the day? Yeah, Dwayne, some shorts could have covered, man. I don't know where the buying volume came from. Chuck, I'm feeling great. Took 100 extra shares at $33.93. Very nice, Tom P. I don't drink either. Lemonade it is. Red line Sean. Let's do it, man. Wrenches are cool. Oh, but what do I have to do for a poop emoji? You could send a poop emoji, man. I don't care if you send a poop emoji. Oh, man, I think I got a gummy stuck in my throat. Dude, that sucks. Are you able to breathe, Mr. Anything Tech? You need somebody to come over there and help you? Squeeze is far from over. Hedge funds can play mind games, but I'm holding to the moon. Me too. That's my plan. Okay, got scared for a second. Chris, nah, dude, you're all good, man. That was not the squeeze. Don't worry about that. Market closes at 3 p.m. my time, so I can for sure give you a price by 3:30, dude. No cap. 3 p.m. my time, man. 3:30 p.m. my time. You got 11 minutes. What is the current volume? Current volume was 85 million shares. Current volume, we are sitting right here at 85.7 million shares on the day. We are bouncing off that $38 level, and hopefully we rise into the close and close above $40 per share today. I never expected to be saying that this morning. Never expected that. Did Algos just turn the switch and let it run? Hey, Himesh, they wouldn't have let it run, okay? They still would have been buying shares at that point. But yeah, they could have tripped some buy order out there, and a lot of people jumped on and started buying. Pancakes! What's up, Pancakes? Clay, did you exit your farming position? I sold half at 50. Joan De Jesus, no, I did not exit yet, man. My take profit is at 57 cents still, and I'm hoping it hits it, man. I'm getting a little nervous since we bounced back off, and we're sitting down at like 44 cents per share right now. But, nah, man, I'm hoping for a continued run. I did not exit yet. Is there room for me up in this house? Absolutely, SD. There's always room for you, man. Matt said there were some big whales who stepped in around 2:30. That was his theory. Tom P, man, anything's possible. I don't know if it was a whale, right? Nobody knows where the buying pressure came from. All we know is that we had some buying pressure come in there because the volume increased during the run up there, and the price drastically increased as well. So we know people were buying, we just don't know who or why. Enjoy your lunch, Pancakes. Pancakes lunch is always around the same time. Pancakes just destroying it at 1:30 lunchtime. Or no, 12:30 lunchtime today. A little early today, Pancakes. All right. Okay, since you're giving me a $50 swing, no, dude, 50 cent. My guess, I'll go for 40 psychological level to fight at the close, a 39.98. 50-cent swing. So you're saying 40. We're going 39. It's not even a 50-cent swing, dude. It's a 5-cent swing in each direction. So 40 psychological level to fight at close, 39.98. So we're looking at 39.93 all the way up to 40.03. Let's see what that looks like here. 39.98. We're putting it on the chart. 39.98. If Sam is right, Sam gets a wrench. 39.98. Go, 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 go. Oh, come on. All right, hold on. 39.98. Let's get it. All right, 39.98 on the chart for Sam right now. If he gets it, he gets a wrench. Click numero uno. Simon, numero uno, 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 uno. Uno, 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 uno. Yes, got it right. LFG, get the wrench. Let's do it. I almost got you to give me a 50-cent swing. Oh, my goodness. You did, dude. You did. By going for $50, you almost got a 50-cent swing, but it's a 5-cent swing. 39.93 to 40.03. I need a gallop for the big move on my birthday. I need a gallop for the big move on my birthday. Like a unicorn? Like just a regular gallop? You got it, man. Orange Folius, thank you very much. And then if it's your birthday and you want to gallop, and you get a little thank you very much, Orange Folius, for the super chat there. And happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Orange Folius. Happy birthday to you. Nice, Orange Folius. Enjoy it, man. We are forming a cup and handle. Oh, goodness gracious. A good old cup and handle coming in here. Lex says 39.05 at the close. Why did the price go up? People bought, Daniel. I knew it was a bull trap for contracts. Gato. I don't think it's a bull trap, man. I think we're just bouncing off some resistance up there, and hopefully we trend higher into the close. Clay, will you be my best man? Raheem, absolutely, dude. Corruption is all over. Yes, it is. Ortex update. Estimated short interest change down 1.06% return shares. 2.47 million borrowed shares. 1.26 million borrowed change. Down 1.22 million. Estimated current short interest free float 20.55%. Estimated current short interest 105.1 million shares. Nice, man. AMC surges. Apes not leaving. Trends on Twitter. Benzinga 30 minutes ago. We are not leaving, man. We are not. I think they have some of these articles like pre-written, but we are not leaving, and they know that. I have a feeling it'll rip after hours. Robert will be here after hours, man. We'll know. Covering or retail buying? Yes. Yes. Covering or retail buying. For real. I changed this name at lunch. I knew it was coming. Cup roll. Coming in hot because we're looking for cup and handles on the chart right now. Clay, bro, needed the drama today for tomorrow's battle of 40.01. This is the way, Market Combat. This is the way. I can feel it. It's coming in the air tonight. Shoot, man, if you can feel it, it is coming. What happened, Clay? Why did it go up so fast like that? Omar! Buying pressure, man. We had a lot of people coming in to buy the stock. We don't exactly know why they're buying the stock. We just know that they are buying the stock. We don't know who or why they're buying. I mean, that's like personal to the person that's buying. We just know that they're buying. 20 million is covered. Highly doubt it, Randy. Highly doubt that they covered 20 million shares, man. They didn't have the opportunity to cover 20 million shares because they would have been the only ones generating that buying pressure if they covered 20 million. Yes, I feel it too. We are flying. Oh my goodness gracious. We're going to be flying, guys. It was funny. They send it out when AMC was ripping. That's how good they look at the charts. Yeah, man, they're just sitting there ready to go. They write the articles prior to releasing them, then they release them when it fits their scenario. Darn, Clay. What? You are entertaining. Andy! You're entertaining, man. I'm glad you're in here, Andy. Thanks for hanging out with us. Who is we? Cannabis. I don't know. What do you mean, we? Did I say we, or did somebody in the chat say we? I'll tell you who we is, man. We is all of us. Because we are in this together, and we will not give up. When was the last time we saw a 90 million volume day? It hasn't been that long. Last day we saw 90 million shares traded. We had 89 on September 10th. September 8th, we had 96. September 8th, 96 million. If you don't count the 89 million, which I know that's not 90, but you could probably round it to it. I am still sitting on a loss. Help us to grow. Lotus, we're going to get there for you, man. You keep saying we, then it's all of us. Bro, shave. Nah, I can't shave till squeeze, man. No shave till squeeze. Don't be calling who we. Don't be calling who we. Don't be calling you me. Do not do options. 16,000 in 1 hour, $410 cost. Okay, hold on. I don't get it, man. You made 16,000 in an hour, and it cost you 410. Is that what you're saying, or what? On the verge of breaking a green day on the daily. Let's go. Let's do it, Stacks. I like shirt. Thank you very much, Robert. I appreciate that. Yes, they write a bad article and a good article and release the one that went well. Exactly. 11-11, Mr. Simon. You got it, man. You already know what it is. Brooks, like something. It looks like something you pulled off a lint roller. The beard, or what are you talking about there? If we, you, we, he, we, she, he, pee-wee. All of them. I, we, you, we, he, she, we, pee-wee. All of us do that. Clay Bro, what a wonderful day. What a wonderful day to be an 8, man. People's spirits were down in the dumps this morning, but look at us now. We are doing excellent now, aren't we? It is looking beautiful. I'm happy. I know you're happy. Everybody out there's got to be doing good. We're up to $38 per share right now, and we've got nothing but bright things ahead of us. Okay, Mr. Nusi looks cool with the beard. Thank you, Simon. I appreciate that, man. I'm not sure if this was discussed. I am pretty sure this pump was due to the debt ceiling bill passing the Senate and going to the House. Tons of stocks, crypto all rallied at the same time on the news. Yeah, Styleman. So it could have been from a variety of things, man. It could be from the debt ceiling, which I don't know what's going on with that bill. I haven't been keeping up with it. It could be from banks needing more money on hand coming up soon. It could be stemmed from just bouncing off resistance or bouncing off support. But you are correct. There were a lot of, especially meme stocks, that all did tend to bounce around the same time. So it seems like something opened up the floodgates for the buyers to come in and add to their positions. If you zoom out about 4 hour, you will see a nice bounce off the bottom wedge today. Each time this happened in the past, we got some nice green candles, August 4th and August 11th. Nice! I do like the 4 hour chart from what we've been watching recently, so we can pull that out and see what we got here. How far back you going, man? How far back you going? Just here? Is that what you're talking about? That area back in here? Or are you talking like really zooming out on something? No, I imagine you got to be talking in here. No, but if you're going all the way back to August 11th on a 4 hour chart, yeah, we didn't go all the way down there, but we did bounce off that support. Like you guys remember, that support line was right in here, 34.50 that we've had on for a while. Sitting here, and because we bounced here, 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 here. That's why we put that line on there, and we bounced off there again. So hopefully that that bounce continues then, and we rise into the close, because we are currently rising right now, $38.20, looking beautiful for AMC. I know you guys are happy with it. Any other bros here in Key West? Let's get a beer at the Green Point tonight. Captain Brian. Key West is extremely far away, so if anybody else lives in Key West, Captain Brian is hitting you up for an offer tonight. How am I wasting everyone's time? Maybe your time, considering you're the only one. Maybe. I don't know. Cannabis, how you doing, man? Hopefully you're having a good day. I don't know. It sounds like you might not be in AMC. Now, back to all the way in June 2nd. Gotcha. Okay, so back on that bull flag there. That was a long way out on a 4-hour chart, man. AMC, GME, Sundial, BB all have similar charts. Coincidence? This happens too often. No, I don't think it's a coincidence, man. I think that whatever's driving the buying pressure was driving the buying pressure, like, not market-wide necessarily, but at least meme stock-wide. So that's the thing there. Just because somebody's buying AMC doesn't mean they can't buy all of those stocks or add to their positions in all of those stocks. Kenneth News, I'm going to side with Mr. Simon on this one, even though I don't know what is happening, because he and I are on that gang stuff. He's my boy. Yes, love him, Simon. He's the boy right there. Anybody hope that Sam gets his 5-cent swing in either direction right today? I hope he does. Man, this dude's listen, cannabis, man. I understand that you want to be a little weird and you do think it's a little fun, but the only thing that I do not tolerate in here is somebody disrespecting somebody else in the chat. So please do not do that. You can try to give me a hard time if you want, and you can try to talk crap about AMC if you want. I don't care about that, but please, dude, I'm asking right now, do not disrespect anybody else in the chat, or unfortunately you will have to be blocked. What caused the spike? I'm in Gil. Buying pressure caused the spike, but you're going to say, where's the buying pressure coming from? Nobody knows where the buying pressure is coming from. That's the hard thing to figure out. Somebody went out there and decided it's a good time to not only buy AMC, but GME, BlackBerry, Sundial, Naked, like all these other quote-unquote meme stocks that are out there, and people are excited all the way around. What's up, y'all? And yeah, don't be mean to people, and don't be messing around. Like, I understand, like, sticks and stones, all that good stuff, but still, there's no reason to be rude to anybody in here. If you're talking about cannabis sector, the top all works the same. They will dilute to pay their top, and even no, listen, man, I do agree with that. These guys do like to dilute the stock every time there's a run. And he just wants to sacrifice himself as a learning experience for me to learn how to use my wrench. He might come, bro. He might, man. I don't know. Holding from Hawaii. Holding from Ohio, J-Boy. I like it. Clay, it's hot when you stick up for us. You're the man. Nikki89. I'm not trying to be hot. I just really do not want anybody messing with anybody else in the chat. Like, you guys can mess with me all day long. You can mess with AMC all day long. But please be respectful to each other. Our baby AMC is going for another run. I feel it. We're going, man. I feel 40. I feel a battle for 40, and I hope we close right at 40.01, so Sam still gets his wrench. I'm going to crack up if we close at 40.04, though, because I'm not giving him a wrench at 40.04. It was a 5-cent swing, dude. There's no exceptions for that. No, not going to happen. I'm going to crack up if we go 40.04 or 39.92. Let's go AMC, holding from Houston here. Javier, man, holding from Ohio. I love it. Let's do it, AMC. My emotions these past 8 months have been a roller coaster. I'm telling you, man, it's going to make you a stronger person for doing it. WTF is going on. Why is it going down? Daniel, what do you mean was it going down? Look at the chart, dude. It's going up right now. It's going up, dude. Look at these green candles. Zoom in. When in doubt, zoom in. When in doubt, zoom in, man. That's all you got to do. It's running right now. Absolutely running. But $1.50 in the last, 7 minutes. Destroying it. Cup Bro! Thank you for the Super Chat. Cup Bro says, as a member of the varsity fight team, I am going to say that you cannot be mean to Clay no matter what he tells you. Well, thank you very much. He is a part of the varsity fight team right there. And if he says don't be mean to me, don't be mean to me. But first and foremost, don't be mean to anybody else in the chat. Like, that's what I will personally open YouTube and I will block you for being mean to somebody else in the chat. Or directly say, hey, one of the mods, go block that guy. Just don't be mean to each other. Up 10% today. Jeff, looking delicious. Isn't it, man? Cool. Absolutely, Daniel. Holding from LA, but grew up in Houston. Well, there you go, guys. We got some family members in the chat right now. Anybody else in LA that grew up in Houston? That would be pretty weird. 39.05. Do I get a 5-cent swing? Need a wrench. Nope, you didn't. Listen, I can't pass out 5-cent swings to everybody. 39.05. Lex Luthor, you better remember that 39.05 because it's got to be dead on, man. Love your enthusiasm, bro. Stay weird and smoke. No, don't do that. That's bad for your health. But stay weird. Yes, enjoy that part. Smoke too much wacky tobacco, and I'm freaking out. Don't freak out, Sergeant. It'll be okay. Well, what's he going to do? He's a cup. Yeah, man. What's he going to do? He's a cup. Nobody knows. Kenny is going crazy. See what did there? Yes, I see what you did there, Peter. I see what you did there. Let's do this. Let's do it, Jennifer. Do you think this is going to start the squeeze? Come on, man. I don't know if this is going to be the start of the squeeze, right? I think that we have to, before I'm worried about that, I think we need to see new all-time highs hit. Before I start worrying about the squeeze, I want to see new all-time highs being hit. I don't want to worry about that down here at 40. But yes, this could cause some attention to come back to AMC. We could cause a little bit of FOMO buyers, another retail breakout, and so on. So it could be very good news. But in that respect, like it's directly causing the squeeze, I'm going to say no. I think that we need to see some further action before we get to that point. I need a $5 swing, bro. Redline Sean, man. No, because it's tough, man, because I say you get a $5 swing, all of a sudden you get $40, and we close at 35. I don't want that to happen. Please don't laugh at me. I'm new, but what are attendees, and how did it get its name? Raheem, dude, nobody's ever going to laugh at anybody else for asking a question. And there's a lot of people who don't know what attendees is. So, attendees, I don't know if it started in, like, on Reddit or Trey's chat or where exactly it started, but attendees are chicken tenders, right? I mean, that's what they are. And it started because money is legal tender, okay? So somebody must have been saying something like, oh, I'm going to get this tender. I'm going to get this legal tender. And then somebody's, oh, chicken tenders. Oh, chicken tendies. Yeah, we got to get these tendies. So it's like a game of telephone, man. Somebody actually says something legitimate, and by the end of it, it's coming out really weird. But that's what tendies would be. They represent money. A career watching AMC. Let's do it. All the King Griffin lied was hoping for sure. Yeah, it probably was. Hey, good thing my broken ribs feel better today. How are you doing today, bro? Adam! Glad your broken ribs are feeling good, dude, because nobody wants broken ribs. That's just bad news. I'm doing good. It sounds like you're doing good. I'll ask anyway, though. How are you doing? That's our homie. You're my homie. I almost said you're my homie. Let's close at 41.50. How strong would that be? Back in important resistance in one day. That would be beautiful, Tom. Oh my gosh. SD. Let it be known. I like everybody in this chat, and there are a few young ladies that I might just love. So there. SD coming in strong. I like it, man. Few young ladies that he just might love, and he likes everybody in this chat. Watch out, 11 on Simon. He might be coming for Lauren. I don't know. Holding from 8,355 shares. Love this channel. John Boyd, thank you very much, man. I appreciate that. And I am holding from Ohio. Haiti. I don't know if there's any other viewers that are in Haiti right now. I believe it feeds the narrative that there are a bunch of dumb kids, and kids always get nugs and chicken tenders when you go out. So obviously, that's all we want money for. Dude, listen, I often get chicken tenders if I go out. I have no problem ordering chicken tenders. I don't. I like chicken tenders. I do. No problem. Like, if I have to choose between a steak and chicken tenders, I'm going to tell you, I'm probably going to choose chicken tenders. I am. Need to shave the neck, bro. Dark pool. Why, man? I think I'm going to just let it go until I can shave AMC into the neck right here. And then when AMC's ripping, I'll just go like this. And you guys can look at the AMC there. I missed the chance to buy more. Locon. You always got the chance to buy more, man. I wouldn't worry about it. Life-changing money, baby. John, that's what we're doing here. Okay. Thank you for the explanation on attendees. I had no idea. Now it makes sense. Cashman, see? Raheem, man. Rashim. There you go. You were a little bit worried about asking, and somebody else wanted to know the exact same question. So there you go, man. Never be afraid to ask anything in here. 39.50 close. Big Ben calling it now. How about them boom boom candles? I'm loving it, dude. I'm here for Lauren, JK. Don't come after the host girl. What? Just kidding. Don't come after the host girl. Yeah, don't do it. But hey, man, if you're here for Lauren, I think like half of us are anyway, right? And she's not even here. Lauren, are you out there? Are you listening? Type something in the chat right now. I know, but still. I'll get you, man. I get you. I'm going to order me some chicken tenders. Do it, Andres. You should interview Pancakes on a future episode. She sounds like fun, upbeat APET. Dude, I think everybody in here is fun and upbeat. It's amazing. You're the coolest, Clay, bro. Raheem, you're the coolest, man. Chicken tenders or nuggets? I'm going chicken tenders, man. Clay got a theory. Eric, what is it? I think we only halt when shorts are covering. I know it's a tinfoil thing, but what do you think? Hey, man, it is definitely tinfoil to think that we only halt as shorts are covering. That, there's no necessary reason that we would only halt when shorts cover, but it could be true, man. We could only see enough buying demand to drive the stock price out of that channel that it sits in to get that halt only when shorts are covering. So I wouldn't see that, don't start to think that we do only halt when shorts cover, but we may only meet the requirements of a halt when shorts are covering. So definitely possible. Subscribe if you haven't. Revel, thank you very much. Subscribe if you haven't, guys. Absolutely. And don't spam. I don't know. I might have to turn on slow. I should turn on slow mode always. I should do that. I wonder if I could just automatically do that. What caused a spike today? Amon Gill. Buying pressure, man. Buying pressure caused it. I don't know where the buying pressure came from, though. Dude, I bought the deep. He bought the dip. I like it. Clay, how's your painting? The one with a backyard with the moving trees. Caesar, basically exactly what it looked like before. But there's no chipmunk in there. There's no chipmunk, dude. Everything else looks the same. Just no chipmunk. All apes are equal. We are family. Yes, we are. 233. Hit that like button for my guy. Come on. Omar, thank you very much, guys. Click the like button. Okay, saw that one. AMC to 50 today. Shoot, race. If AMC goes to 50 today, I'm going to be extremely happy. AMC to 25. 25 or 45? What do you got there? We bought the what? We bought the deep. The dip, man. We bought the dip. Don't beat up on my son Claire. I'll turn the power off on you. Love my little brother. Grandpa Barney, thank you very much. And don't test Grandpa Barney because he will turn the power off on you. Then you will have no Wi-Fi and you're going to have to sit in the dark like I do after the stream's over with. So be very good. Your Grandpa Barney's going to cut your power. You don't want that to happen now, do you? Clay caused the spike. He's the man. Stacks. That's a good answer, man. I'm going to start just telling people that I caused the spike today. Who's Chipro? Rico! You don't know Chipro, man? Chipro's the chipmunk that hangs out outside. Clay's the best ape ever. Race, you're the best ape ever. Your dad's here? Chipman Z, how do you know? My dad might be here. My dad's typically always here. Clay, if tinfoil hat theory is correct, we will know when shorts are covering. Ooh, you like that? Yeah, I do like that, actually, man. If it is correct, I would like to know when the shorts are covering. But unfortunately, there's no real way to test that. That's my hold up with that. So it could be true, absolutely. We could only get enough of a jump during shorts covering, but I don't think that we're going to be able to prove that one to use it. I would really like if we could. Hey, bro, I'm a new ape. What made you start streaming about AMC, or was you talking about the market before a buy button scandal? Love the channel, by the way. I'm switching up my content, and I'm losing subs. Chester James, average idiot. So yeah, man, I was making stock market videos prior to the whole thing in January. Then I started talking about GameStop a little bit, and then I started talking about GameStop and AMC. And dude, like everybody that's on board with AMC, I couldn't get enough of it. You guys are absolutely amazing, and I'm like, all right, well, this doesn't just seem like some sort of like a retail run up or a pump and dump, man. It seems like there's something going on here that's much deeper, and stuck with it, and here we are. $100 by November. Let's go. Let's do it, Laughing Tech. I like that. Let's see. AMC was slowly bleeding down. Don't you think many, if any shorts covered, they likely thought the price would continue to drop, just like the sellers who sold their shares of AMC? I bet they're not happy. My way. Yeah, I guarantee they're not happy, dude. They probably did think it was going to continue going to the downside, but it didn't. Yo, what's up, Daddy Clay? You hyped for next week? Bachelor in Paradise finale? Who you thinking stays together? Have Clay, let me know. Don't put yourself in here. I don't even know who's remaining, but yes, Father, if you are out there and you want to answer Sam, then you can let me know, and I will let Sam know that you let him know who you think is staying together, whatever that means. I guess there's like, what, 2 girls left and 1 guy? Is that what that means? Cup, I'm from Kentucky, and yes, that's my government name, Jesse James, average idiot. Jesse James is your name, or average idiot is also in there. Not a dead cat. Definitely not a dead cat. Even the shorts covered a little. A Salvatore Piazza. They absolutely could have covered a little, man. Absolutely. There's nothing to say they couldn't have covered a little. Now I'm just hoping, boom, we ride into the close. Shoot, we better get a nice bounce off this. We say 39.98. Why are we at 39.97? We better get a nice. I didn't even move. Okay, that legitimately does not want to go 39.98. What's up with this? All right, 39.98. There you go. Hopefully we get a nice bounce off this line into the close, so Sam gets a wrench. That's what we got to shoot for. Clay, Paradise is couples. It's a bunch of guys and girls on the beach. Much more drama. Dude, so it's not even like The Bachelor? It's just a bunch of people? Your dad will know. That's all that matters. Yes, that is all that matters. Dad will know who's going to stay together and who's going to break up on the beach in Paradise. Hey, man, sounds crazy. I'm from Kentucky. Yes, that's my government name. Saw that. What's the date again for the ape? What? No, Chipman Z. I was not invited to that, so I don't know. Don't underestimate AMC. Paper hands. Never underestimate AMC. Brother, you talking so fast you could work in Texas cattle auctions. Shoot, Alexander. Sign me up. I want to sell some cows. Come on now. Farming sitting at 44 cents, 44.6 cents. Come on, let's go up, Farming. What are you doing? Only thing that covered was their eyes. We on fire, baby. Oh no, AMC's running. Yeah, we are on fire, and it's looking delicious right now. I have a feeling aftermarket is going to hit over 40. Salvatore Piazza. I would love the rip after hours, man. Show's fake. Don't hurt his feelings like that, man. The show can't be fake. Paradise has like all the favorite girls and girls each week. There's a different number of guys to girls, and you gotta be in a couple to stay. Ooh. So how does it work out? Like some weeks they get rid of guys, some weeks they get rid of girls, or do they always get rid of girls? Like what's the deal? How's that work? I'm starting to think I may not get a wrench. Cup, bro, you're going to get a wrench, dude. Sorry, Clay, if you covered this already, but I just logged on. Are the shorts covered? And you think, I don't think there's enough volume for the shorts to be covering, but they could be covering, a handful if that's what they're doing. I don't know what the buying pressure is being derived from. I don't know if it's because of the debt ceiling. I don't know if it's because of banks needing extra capital on hand. I don't know if it's just retail buyers going out. Nobody knows where it's coming from. We just know that it could be. Yes, they could be covering a little bit, but we didn't have enough shares that the hedge funds went out and covered a great deal. M. James in the house, baby! What's going on, M. James? How you doing, man? Grandma Bunny shuts off the power. You sit quietly in the dark. I'll buffer your internet until you pull your hair out. Yes. Grandpa Barney, man, he's going to mess with you the old-fashioned way. He's going to cut your power from you, and you're going to be going crazy. Oh, hey, Josh, lots of boobs are fake, and I'd argue that the best ones, so we don't need your sass, pal. Let me enjoy my life. Well, shoot, man. That does sound like all good stuff to me. Salvatore Piazza for the ones who sold at 34. Fired, man. They're fired. They're fired if you sold at 34. Don't do it. Volume boost today. I'm looking for this to continue into tomorrow. Brian, yeah, hopefully we see people continue to buy tomorrow, and we continue to rise. I want to close above 40 this week, potentially above 41. Chuck Norris fears the apes. That means the apes are bad news, man. Always a good time here. Clay is awesome. Can't wait for the squeeze. Caesar, thank you very much, man. I appreciate that, and we will be having a blast when we squeeze. Buying a Trapper a beer post-squeeze. M. James, Trapper, best friends in the making. 100 million volume, let's get it. We at 100 million right now. What are we going? We got 97 million shares traded on the day so far. 97 million shares. We are up from previous volume levels. And that's the screen that I wanted. Buying Clan Iced Tea post-squeeze. M. James, I will gladly accept that iced tea post-squeeze, man. Sounds delicious, actually. Iced tea, man. I will go for that. I'm holding, ain't selling. Edwin! That's my plan, too, man. That's my plan, too. Yo, let's go, apes. Salute. Let's get it, Spank Nanners. We got this. I clicked on your Amazon link and found sexy hair cream. When the restock? Lex, I don't know. Is it out of stock right now? They don't have any, man. I'm going to have to link some more. Buying, I saw that one already. Went to bed earlier, under $2. Woke up over 2%. Woke up over 9%. AMC's on fire. Thanks, Claybro, for keeping it real since day one. Positive felines. Absolutely. Thank you for being in here. Potentially since day one. Not exactly sure when you came in, but thank you very much. Clay, why do hedge funds hate us? I'm a positive, nice person. Race, they don't hate you, man. They don't hate you. They just really, really like money. Really, really like money, dude. And they don't care how they get it. They just want to make more money. And they're willing to take you down just as quickly as you're willing to take them down. So I wouldn't say it's hate, man. Don't take it personal. They would do it to anybody. Only buy myself Smart Water and Pellegrino? I don't even know what Pellegrino is, man. What's Pellegrino? That's some California thing? If anyone in here happens to be a whale, help your boy out and make us close at $39.98, please. If you do, I promise I'll think to myself, what a nice guy about you. I will also think, what a nice guy about you if you help us close at $39.98 today. Clay, El Mero. I don't even know what that is, dude, but it sounds like something I'm interested in. Maybe? Not sure. My Spanish is weak, dude. She thought 200 was 200 pounds. Christopher, what? My girlfriend is truly dumb money. She invested $200 in AMC today at 34.04. She thought $200 was 200 pounds? Christopher, are you from the UK? I don't know. I mean, some people don't understand that she's a good girl. She is a good girl. Yeah, she's a good girl. But are you from the UK? Or what are we talking about pounds for? Thanks, Frodo. I'm so poor, I can't even spell it. Dang, dude. I'm so poor, I don't even know what it is. So, there you go. They sell it at gas stations and grocery stores. What is it? San Pellegrino? Sparkling water. Gotcha. All right, sparkling water. Shoot, man. See, I don't even know what this stuff is. Manchester, UK. Okay, so she thought dollars was pounds. Nice, man. Nice. 200 pounds is more than $200. You know what Pellegrino is? It's the fancy water in the green bottle. Okay. Flavored? It's flavored? Or no? Because if it's flavored, then yes. But I never really look at that stuff, so I don't really know. But if it's flavored, then yes, I know what it is. It's a champagne of water. I shall bathe in it. Do it, man. Do it. But is it flavored? Will you scream like a girl if we close above 39? No, man. You only scream like a girl if life is being threatened. No. Okay, then I don't think I know what it is. I'm thinking of a green bottle that's flavored water. Plastic green bottle that's flavored water. I don't know which one I'm thinking of then. But I swear it started with a P. Adding apes on days like today. Good deal. I'm able to share with at least someone more who also gains conviction with all our proof. And they too buy weekly and hold. And I'm one ape of many. And I'm a small fry. Dave, no matter the size, man, every ape counts. So, good. What do you think of my tinfoil hat theory, shorts covering theory? Yeah, Eric, I think it's definitely possible, man. Like, no fault in that. I feel like it's we can't prove it. I feel like we can't prove it, man. So that's my hang up with it. Oh, whereabouts in Manchester? I'm from Manchester too. Nice! Crypto Rocketeer and Christopher becoming best friends. Maria! Think of the super chat. Maria says, keep it up. Keep it up. Keep it up. Keep it up. One more step, Maria. Keep it up. Oh, thank you very much, Maria. I appreciate the work out there. Everybody needs to keep it up because we're here, we're doing work. Clay, you're talking about Perry. Okay, that might be what I'm talking about then. Yes, Caesar, you're right, man. So I don't know what the other one is. Got you. You are correct on those. Nikki89 as well. I don't know what the other one is, though. I don't know if I've ever seen that one. Let's go, last couple of minutes. Let's do it, man. We got to bounce up to 39.98. Dead on. I give you 2 wrenches if it hits 39.98. Sam, dead on, man. Clay, you need to do the kicks with curls. That dude's kicking while he's curling? Oh, my goodness. That guy's tough. I was doing the kicks with the curls, man. You just didn't see my feet. Because my bottom half's cut off here. You don't see the upper half. Banana Man says, this is the poor man's Pellegrino. Nice, dude. So, now, yeah, it shows you who I am. I'm ready for 6 minutes of green candles now. Let's do it, Tom. Can we catch Elon Musk's attention to tweet him about AMC? Well, Dabash, I think he knows about AMC, but yeah, somebody try to do it, man. Go tag Elon all day. Make sure to tag me and Elon in the same messages there. 2 wrenches on the head. Well, either way, man. If you're 39.98, he's getting 2 wrenches. Whoa. We talking about blue wrench? Garson, yes, talking about blue wrenches, man. Deer Park, sparkling water, spring water. Now that sounds like something I'm interested in. Omero means the one, like the big boss, or the more than the big boss. Shoot, dude, how can you be more than the big boss? Mr. Simon, I like it. El Mero. I am El Mero. Am I saying it right? Josh, man, thank you for the super chat, Josh. Straight up, man. Straight up. Shout out to you. I don't know if there was a message with that, but hopefully you guys are having a good day over there. Good evening, as of now. I'm British too, but I live in the States now. Nikki89. Everybody in here is from the UK. What is happening? Bob Marley says, don't let them fool you. Yes, don't let them fool you, guys. You got to make sure you hold AMC. Clay, those weights look heavy. Frodo, those weights are really heavy, dude. Listen. San Pellegrino comes in green plastic bottles, has unflavored and flavored. I was thinking about the Perrier and not that one. Can we catch Elon Musk's attention and tweet him about AMC? I think we can. Click, could I be considered for a wrench? Banana Man, yes, I'm here every day. I keep it clean. I try to be funny, even though I'm not half as witty as the other guys. And most important, I love you. No, Banana Man, yeah. So here's the deal. I will go through, and I do need to get a... I do need to clean out those wrenches because I know for a fact, hands down, Clothing Co. and Dean never really come around anymore. So those 2 spots are definitely up. I mean, I would wrench everybody in here, but I don't want every name to be blue. It's still 11 a.m. in Chicago. Carson, it's not 11 a.m. in Chicago. Come on now. Farmy had 1 billion in volume. Yeah, it was like 1.2 billion in volume so far. YOLO. What's Farmy at right now? Give me a Farmy update, man. Can we watch... Well, yes, we can do that to Elon, man. We get it. You got the volume turned up, right? Can I check STMP? Maybe after hours. If people want to see what we got going on with STMP, we can check it out after hours. But I'm not going to do it while we're streaming about AMC. Just a little longer. We should test hashtag Tesla car after AMC. Get it trending on Twitter, and Elon will help us out. Yeah, he probably would at that point because he wants everybody to go buy a Tesla. Increase the revenue for Tesla and AMC. Hi, babe. Rachel here, Josh's wife. What's up, babe? How are you? Just a wee super chat from us to say thank you for being here every day, keeping us all motivated during these hard times. Apes together, hold up. P.S. Lava Lamp looking good. Thank you, Rachel. I appreciate that. Hopefully you and Josh are enjoying your evening over there. And just a wee little super chat. I appreciate that wee little super chat. That's amazing, man. That's amazing. A wee little super chat. I love these Europeans, dude. You guys got the best things. I would wrench everybody. Clay, bro, it's true. I would wrench everybody. But I can't give everybody a wrench. Clay, how do I go about getting the free tickets to the movies this weekend for Venom? Do you have any idea how to do that? Do I use the app? So I have not done it, so I can't give you a walkthrough on how to do it. But if you're signed up, like if you're already registered with that Investors Connect, what it's called, you should just be able to easily go through. And I don't know if you have to purchase the first ticket through the app to get the second ticket. Like I have no idea what the steps are. If anybody has already done it, then please walk my man here through it. But I have not done it, so I don't know what the steps are to be able to tell you guys how to do it. Clay, if Chipotle can be up so high, AMC can be even bigger. Yeah, DJ Quagmire. It's true, man. But keep in mind, okay, Chipotle has a lot less shares outstanding, and Chipotle's stock price kind of reflects its book value, okay? So, it's still trading where it should be trading because there's a lot less shares outstanding. Imagine if all of a sudden AMC went from 500 million shares outstanding to 5 million shares outstanding. You're kind of getting into that situation right there. So, it is a big difference when you look at it that way. What do you mean, AMC Chapter? No, I'd wrench everybody in here, but I just can't give them all a wrench. Wrench them on the head. Get them off the cloud they live on. Yeah, dude, do something like that. Last minute of the day. What do we got here? 39.98. We're not at 39.98. We're 38.20 right now. What are we going to do? 38.20 right now. Can we get a 2-minute $2 candle coming in here? I don't think we're going to get it, but hopefully we do. I want to see a 39.98 close, but it's not looking very hot right now. We're getting 38.13, 38.12, 38.12, 38.12, 38.12, 38.12. We hit 38.12. We hit 38.07. 5-cent drop. 5-cent drop. 38.17. Wow. Volatility is picking up here in the last minute of the day. 38.05. We went from 38.05 to 38.12. 7 cents. 38.03. Down 9 cents in one tick right there. Incredible. What are we gonna end up right now? 38.03 was the close. Unfortunately, I did not give Cup Bro a $1 swing on each way. I should have. I should have given him a $1 swing each way, man. $2 swing. 38.03. I should have given him a $2 swing, man. Didn't happen, though. Nufo, support Claybell, subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you very much, Nufo. Yes, support, like, click the like button and subscribe to the channel. You use the app to become a Stubbs member, and it'll ask you if you're a shareholder with the honor system, and you just kind of say yes, and then join the free membership or whatever. There you go. So that makes it easy. Where did we go? My goodness. There you go. So you download the app, sign up, say you're a shareholder, they believe you, and then you get the discounts. Thanks, Clay. Thanks, Cupro. Absolutely, Creighton. After the squeeze, I'm buying Clay a 24-karat wrench so he can hang it next to the lava lamp. Nice, dude. Solid 24-karat, but coated in something blue. That's what we need. Solid 24-karat and coated in, I don't know, anything blue, man. Even paint. Works for me. 38, not bad. We'll take it. Banana Man, absolutely. 38.05. I'm showing 38.03. We're going to settle somewhere. $38 from sitting at 33.75 earlier. We ended 7.06% higher on the day. My goodness. Sterebra. Darn, man. Ajma! Yai! Musata. How are you today, Ajma? A little more happy today. Ajma, good. Good. I'm a little more happy today as well. A lot of people are very, very happy today. AMC bouncing back nicely. I bought myself a blue wrench to remind myself of what could have been. Dang, man. Wrench in training. We got wrench in training here. He's going to buy himself a blue wrench just to know what could have been. After the squeeze, I'm buying Clay a new car. Get him out of that Kia. Clay can't be seen in the Kia. Dude, I love my Kia. Come on now. All right. Farmy ended up closing at 46.25. Good deal, Farmy. 46.25. I like that. I'm still hoping for a 57 close. Come on. Hopefully AMC and Farmy both rip after ours. 7%. 7% is excellent, Zishan, for sure, man. Wow, $1 off my prediction. Lex, I'm telling you, man, you would have got it right on. You would have been looking good in that wrench. Banana don't mess with Clay's Kia Forte. Banana, don't mess with my Kia Forte. Come on now. Round of applause for all the apes. We had a good day. Dude, today was an excellent day. I'm sitting over there on the patio earlier, and I'm watching AMC run, and I'm just like, what is going on right now? This is incredible. What is happening? I'm like, there's no way that somebody's going to be upset. And then that cannabis news guy comes in here. He's upset for some reason. I think he didn't buy AMC, and that's why he was upset. Because I'm sitting there thinking, AMC's up 16% right now. It's sitting at $40 per share. This is going to be a good afternoon. And then that dude comes in and he's like, running in after hours. Are we running? We're not running in after hours yet, are we? Maybe we could run in after hours. I thought, oh, I didn't. I gotta move. I gotta turn on slow mode. Sorry about that, man. You reminded me sending 3 chats in a row like that I gotta turn on slow mode just in case somebody comes in here and starts spamming something. All right, subscribers, you gotta subscribe to the channel and slow mode with 5 seconds. 5 seconds ain't that bad. All right, cool. That should load up there. As much as you talk about Kia, they should sponsor you. I know, dude. I know. They used to put ads on my videos, and I know it's because we talked about them in the live stream. But as far as them sponsoring me, shoot. They're not even going to fix my recall. They're not even going to fix my recall. ATR is a crap stock. What's ATER doing right now, though, man? You don't like it? They're buying in anticipation of tomorrow being squeeze day. Finally, they're getting it, man. They're getting it. Because tomorrow is always squeeze day. What's the sex bot? I don't know, Carson. I don't know. We haven't seen the Hot Boys and Girls webcam chat in a while. Claybro, turn on subscribers only mode. Yeah, subscribers only and slow mode. So if you want to talk, subscribe to the channel. Where's webcam chats? We need to know why. What is AMC? But you only have to subscribe for like 1 second, and then if you want to unsubscribe afterwards, like go ahead, unsubscribe afterwards. Doesn't bother me any. But I just don't want these bots coming in and messing with people. Clay, you should make a dance video with the Kia car hamsters, dude. I should. Here's what we should do. We should who has Kias? Does anybody else have a Kia in the? This is gonna be a good video. And anybody out there edit videos? Like, is anybody a video editor? Because I'm thinking we all go out, real simple, guys. We all go out, park your Kia Forte. I don't care where it's at, man. At a park, in your garage. Like, just keep it real. We're real people driving real Kias. And we do the PD Pete. We do the PD Pete out by the Kias, man. On top of the Kia, on the hood of the Kia, by the doors open. And then somebody edits it together. And we got the PD Pete on our Kias. All types of Kias, man. It don't matter if it's old, new, used, whatever. SUV, little sedan. It doesn't matter what's going on. But everybody grabs their Kia Fortes. We do the PD Pete. Somebody edits it together. And there, we contact Kia and we say, here's a good commercial for you. I have a Buick too. You got a Kia and a Buick? Good deal, man. I have a Buick. Okay, we got to go get a Kia, man. It's got to be the PD Pete on the Kia. Put gorilla costumes on in the Kia, not hamsters. Yeah, you could do that. Hey, Clay, if the government's not raised the debt limit, is it matter to AMC? Hustle life. So, it could, man, because it depends who's in AMC. So, if a lot of the holders in AMC are like traditional investors or day traders, and the debt ceiling scares them away for some odd reason, then, yes, it could cause a pullback in AMC. It's just something that is natural when people are uncertain about the future. They tend to pull back. Yeah, do we all go out and do the PD Pete with our, all different types of Kias? I think that would be a really good commercial. Which Nickelback song do you want playing during this video? Any of them. Any of them, man. Any of them are going to work for me. Kia, if anybody wants to go through and you guys, can match up a PD Pete to a Nickelback song, and you guys can edit that bad boy together, I say go for it. Claybro, any truth to that one of the smaller hedges covered today? Anders, I do not know, man. I don't know. I didn't see anything on that. Didn't read a news article on that. Never seen that anywhere. So I cannot confirm or deny that happening. Not gonna lie, I sold my AMC when it was at $52 and it just had this gut feeling it was gonna drop hard and did. Bought back in today, increased my position nicely. Ziptic, very nice. Glad you bought back in, man. Hopefully you don't plan on selling at $52 again, but glad you bought back in. Sportage, we got it. Nice. Had to hear this out before I parted ways. 100, I'm down. Dave, let's do it, dude. Let's do it. And then somebody edits it together. We post it on YouTube, tag Kia in it. Get them trending on Twitter. Go tag every Kia and all these people on Twitter. And I'd say it's gonna this is how happy you are if you own a Kia. Does it count if we do that dance at a Kia dealer? Lex, yes, that counts. You can also be in the video if you don't currently own a Kia and you want to go to a Kia dealer and do that dance. You can be edited into that video. Clay, have you heard To the Moon by Gorillionaires? If not, listen to it right now in the stream. Everyone will love it. Gage, so I'm not going to listen to it during the stream. I don't think that I don't know. Is it really vulgar? Or is that a different one that I'm thinking of? Because I'm not sure that I heard that one or not. Daddy Clay, did someone cover today? Mr. KZ Demos. I don't know. Apparently there's articles or something flying around that a smaller hedge fund did, but I don't know if, I've never seen anything confirming it. A wrench, I have to admit, I do like one Nickelback song. I think it's called Hard to Follow. I'm ashamed to say that, but I like that. Dude, I like every single Nickelback song there is. Tell me one I don't like. Doesn't exist. Future Kia Carnival owner after the squeeze. Nufo! I love it, dude. Go to a Kia deal, you can be in the video as well. Zipty, be careful admitting that in other chats, man, or you have a mob after you like Shrek did. pitchforks and everything, dude. Torches and all that stuff. Like, you can admit it here. You can admit anything you want here, but other chats, got to be careful for sure. I have a Kia Sportage. I'm in. Danielle's in. Kia Sportage. Kia Sportage, she's in. I like it. He's not going to sell at 52, maybe 60. Don't sell at 69 either, man. We can go higher than 69. What car do you all currently own? I have a Kia Sportage. It's everybody own a Kia Sportage in here, and I own a Kia Forte? Like, what's the deal? Nah, Matt Kors plays it on his lives. I don't know, man. Okay, if it's not the vulgar one, if Matt Kors plays it on his lives, I just don't know. I don't want to get anybody, like, hit me with a copyright or anything like that, man. You can't, he doesn't have the rights to the song. Yeah, I don't want anybody to, even if it's like, even if they say it's okay, I don't want to go through the hassle of saying that, like, contacting the owner and all that stuff. Clay, there's a clean version. However, this chat, it doesn't have music in it, and that's something I personally enjoy, that we keep the chat and interaction based. If I want music, I'll listen to it. Nice, man. Nice. I think I'm invisible. Jack Stack Silver. I sometimes think I'm invisible as well. One time, and it happens often, man. When you're a kid, you can easily convince a kid that he's invisible just by not looking at him. You can be, oh, where's the AMC chat? Where did the AMC chat go? I don't know. Where are you? Chat. Where are you, chat? I don't know. What happened? What happened to the chat? Where did it go? I don't see the chat anywhere. What did you guys do? Like, do all of you guys feel invisible? I mean, you guys must all feel invisible right now, right? Because where did the AMC chat go? I don't even know. Jack Stacks, you're not the only one, man. You're not the only one that feels invisible right now. We all feel invisible. I have a Porsche 718 Spider. Carson! I don't know if you're lying or not, man, but sweet. Clay, do you believe in U.S. stock market and SEC? I feel like the SEC helping hedge funds find many loopholes to protect their payroll. Yeah, man. So the people at the top are always going to try to stay at the top. So when it comes to protecting the retail investors, I don't know if that's necessarily their biggest concern, but I do think that, you know, they do try to regulate gross negligence or gross fraud. Got my new badge algorithm is real. No dates, no DD. Got that new badge, Mike Johnson. I love it, man. Looking good on you. Looking good with that new badge there. And thank you very much for that membership super chat. I like that. Guys, if you have a green name and you did not know, if you click the super chat button and you haven't sent one yet, then you can send a super chat message just like that. It's free. It doesn't cost you to do so. Just for being a member, you get your super chat up there like that. And Mike Johnson, man, thank you very much once again. I appreciate you being a member, man. Carson, you don't have a Porsche unless it's a 911. You don't have a Porsche unless it's a 911, man. Yeah, you have a Porsche unless it's a 911. I don't know what that means, but okay. Mr. Silver, I can confirm that I cannot see you at all, so you might be, dude. But luckily, this is a chat-based, and none of us could see you either way. You're lucky, man. You're lucky. Counselor Murray, man. Thank you for the super chat, Counselor Murray. Just landed in Los Cabos, Mexico, and I heard we're cooking. Oh, yes. Please let it squeeze while I'm on vacation. Can you just imagine Counselor Murray in Los Cabos, Mexico? I've never been there, so I'm assuming it's near a beach, though. If my dude's on vacation right now, I'm assuming it's near a beach. Dude's sitting there. It's beautiful morning. I don't know, 78, 79 degrees. He's sitting out there, 9 a.m., sipping on some coffee, watching the waves roll in, and all of a sudden, AMC, $420, $820, $990, $1,300. Dude, the only question, Counselor Murray, the only question I've got, man, you pull up your phone, you're looking at it, you're like, oh, ooh, what? Do you scream on the beach in front of all these people that are just relaxing and enjoying their afternoon? Do you scream or do you keep it to yourself, man? That's what we need to know. Or do you just start doing the Petey Pete? Could you imagine being in a resort during the squeeze and all of a sudden you bust out in the Petey Pete, dude? You bust in the Petey Pete and like everybody else on the beach starts doing the same thing. They're busting out the Petey Pete because we're squeezing. Oh, man. That would be classic, dude. If there's like 4 or 5 of you guys just randomly on the beach, bust out with that Petey Pete because we started squeezing. Get a 911 for $125,000. Banana Man. That's good. That's good, right? That's good. Daddy-daughter time. It's got to go. Hope you all have an awesome day. John, man, hope you have an awesome day as well. Shout out to your daughter, and I don't know, man, whatever you guys are doing, have some fun. Tomorrow should be very interesting. Every day is interesting, but tomorrow is going to be a good one for sure. Almost hit 42 today. Frank, dude, I know. 41. What was the top of the day? 41.50? Is that what we hit? 41.50, yeah. 41.50 was the top of the day. Very, very nice run up. Oh my gosh. Councilman Murray says, heck yeah, let's do it, man. I just got to see this dude PDP with everybody else on the beach. Sad news here today in town. And if you guys are ever like out dancing for some reason, just, bust out the PDP, man. Wedding. A PDP, a PDP, a PDP. People be like, yeah, this dude's got moves. Mr. Normus, sad news here today in town. We found out Smith & Wesson is moving to Tennessee. Hundreds will lose their jobs in 2023. Smith & Wesson has been a staple here in Springfield for decades. Dang, dude. Mr. Normus, that is pretty intense. I mean, if you're trying to look at the silver lining, I guess they gave people until 2023 to stomach that, because a lot of corporations, man, if they move, they're just like, yeah, you guys got till the end of the month, and then we're out of here. We don't really care what you guys are doing. So that is that right there is a blessing, dude. They gave people a year and a half to decide what they're going to do with their future. So I don't know. If you're looking for a silver lining, man, at least that's a good part. And otherwise, that's always tragic when a big company moves out of town like that, man. Nice price action today. Nylon is beautiful price action today. If it hit 100 million in volume. Carson, 100 million in volume. What was the actual volume that we had traded? 101.13 million shares traded. Apes are everywhere, man. It can happen. We should make our own AMC commercial for the stock, man. A dude checks his portfolio on the beach, sees 100,000 per share, drops phone, and does the PDP. Listen. I'm not going to be on a beach anytime soon. I feel like Councilor Murray could do the PDP. Or Pete himself could do the PDP. I feel like Pete seems like a pretty bad dude. So I feel like Pete and Councilor Murray, you guys got to do the PDP. And then post that bad boy on Twitter. Go to a beach, play that out right there. Have somebody else recording it on their phone. And then you guys sitting on the beach, just chilling, whether you're on a beach chair or you're on a towel, doesn't matter. Set up your own scenario, and then check your phone just like Sam said, or Wrench in Training said, and then drop the phone, man, and just start doing the PDP after you see 100,000. Oh, man. I say do it. People would like that, man, and that's like a 30-second video on YouTube, and people would be sharing the crap out of that. They would think that was hilarious. Mr. Clay, do you have Vortex? Angel, I do not have Vortex, man. Still running in after hours. I like it. We're not running that much. We're up 0.39% right now. $38.18 is what we got on the chart here. Just looks like we're kind of flat because we had such volatility over here. But yep, 38.18 is what we got right now. Guys, a trade Republic safe for selling. I think everything's going to be safe for selling, man. We be doing a flash mob, doing the PDPs. Caesar. You guys, somebody's got to do the PDP and post it on Twitter or something and see if anybody else understands what's going on. Folks, how you doing today? Today, I'm doing good. How are you doing today? Hope they don't close the trading again on AMC and GME. Ticker symbols are messed up, man. I don't think they're going to close them on those tickers, but AMC and GME, I think people, I don't know. They're not going to close. If they close buying, they close buying. But I don't want them to close sell. Part of me wants them close selling until we reach $1,000 per share, because that just guarantees that people hold the stock. But yeah, I don't think that we're going to run into the same situation since there's so much focus on that right now. You only saw the first half of the commercial, Clay? Oh, no. First half of the commercial. A second, someone walks by. What happened? AMC 100,000. They're like, oh my gosh, what? Joins them, and then we zoom out, and the whole beach is dancing. Dude, if this guy doesn't write commercials, I don't know what he does for a living, but he needs to write commercials. This sounds beautiful. So now we need a drone. Somebody, I know all of you apes live out in California, okay? So you could probably make this happen since everywhere in California has a beach. You guys need to do like a quick get-together this weekend. And I don't care if it's like tomorrow night, Saturday, before you go and see Venom. Like use your Like take a date night out to see Venom after you guys shoot this commercial. Beautiful, beautiful, Sam. I say you guys do it, man. Do we need actual maracas to do the PDPs? Yes or no? Yes or no? You can use the actual maracas, and if you don't have any, then you don't need them. But either way, man, it's still the PDP. I think that would be a really good commercial. Like, that would be a legitimate commercial. That would catch on. Nice 30-second commercial, man. Guy checks his phone. He's having a maybe he's even like having a bad day or something on the beach. I don't know. I'm not the director of this show here. Maybe Sam can think about that a little bit too. But yeah, dude, he sees it. Everything turns around. He starts doing the PDP. Some guy runs up to him. What's going on? What's wrong? AMC's 100,000. What? LPDPD, 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 LPDPD. And then yeah, you zoom out. You got the drone. You zoom out. You can see everybody on the beach doing the LPDP. You Californians can make that happen. I know you can. As Missouri residents living in St. Louis, I can confirm that we are all California residents who own drones. Yes, we are all California residents who own drones. I know you are. I feel like M. James owns a drone, so maybe he could do the footage, but he would probably want to be in the video as well. So, M. James, man, if you're out there, set something up. Yo, Clay, how that neck beard going, bro? Carson, going excellent, man. Like, going all the way down, too. I'm not going to get cold at all this winter. I'm a doctor pharmacist. Carson. Angelina is a doctor and / pharmacist. Good deal. If I'm heading to the beach, need to borrow that cool shirt, Clay. Caesar, this could be like the, I don't know, the Brotherhood of the Traveling Shirt. I could send you guys this shirt, and then you guys could all wear the shirt to the beach if you want. And then you gotta send it back, though. You can't keep it. I like where you're going. He planned this nice trip, but his kids are fighting, and his wife is stressed, and things keep going wrong, and she yells at him and walks away, so he checks his phone, and BAM! LPDPD, LPDP. And she looks back. What? And then she's happy too. And the kids, you see the kids, it zooms out to the kids. The kids they're like in the car seats. They stop crying and they're like, like they're crying and screaming at each other. And all of a sudden they're LPDPing together. Yeah, dude. And then you zoom out on the drone and everybody on the beach is doing it. This is actually a good commercial. I would watch this multiple times. Please, Rocket, please today. Rocket is so greedy. Hedge funds outbuy and hold. That's the game. Christopher, yes, we will definitely outhold the hedge funds. At least everybody in here will. Do the PDP in a gorilla suit. There should be some guy. I feel like there's always a guy in a gorilla suit on a California beach, though. I feel like that's just going to happen. You wouldn't even have to set that part up. You could just go, find somebody on a California beach, any California beach for that matter. But I feel like there would be a guy in a gorilla suit on a California beach. High volume price went up. It is what it is, Clay. Yeah, stock market junkie. We definitely had a lot of people coming in late in the day buying the shares. I think it's funny. All the shills bad mouthing AMC this morning. How do you think they feel now? They went back into hiding. Your child version of the dance, it looked like you were milking a cow. Man, yeah, man, this would have been way better and cost much less than $25 million. Dude, it certainly would, man. It certainly would. I don't know if it would increase revenue for AMC or not. Like, I don't know if they would drive people into the theater, but it would definitely get people talking about AMC. And I can guarantee you that commercial would have been on CNBC and Fox Business and all these different stations that people are watching all day long. Banana Man! Thank you for the salt shaker. Banana Man says, guys, you got to pour that salt out. Throw it over your shoulder for good luck. Tilt that head back, and because salt tastes so good. Oh, man. You got to keep it closer to your mouth, because if you don't, it goes straight in your eye, and trust me when I tell you that it stings. Oh, my gosh. Banana Man, thank you very much for the salt shaker. I appreciate that. Hopefully all of you guys appreciate the salt shaker as well. The gorilla dude should be the only one not dancing. There you go, man. He can be the only one not dancing. People are gonna understand why. They're gonna understand why. But gosh, you guys are hilarious. Angelina, we have a lot of fun in here, don't we? I have to go, but I need to see this before I jet. Banana Man. Hopefully it was good, man. Hopefully it was good. You guys, a little screen recording, whatever you got to get, and then help you out later. What's up, Clay, bro? What's up, Orlando? AMC and GME to the Alpha Centauri. I don't know where that's at, but I think it's really, really far away. LWD. I'll dress like a Centaur and dance to a Fly Me to the Moon because... Oh, I'll dress like Sinatra. I was like a Centaur. And dress like... Or dance like a Fly Me to the Moon because I'm Frank, after all. Yes, you are, Frank. Dang, man. We got good ideas going on here. We got good ideas. Dude, forget like a Vegas meetup. Just get ready for the commercial. Just get ready for the commercial now. Wouldn't that be hilarious if that commercial did catch fire and went viral, and it was all over TikTok, all over YouTube, all over Facebook, all over Twitter, and I don't know, 50, 60 million views. We brought in another like 10, 20 million investors for AMC. Investors, right? We brought in another 10, 20 million traders for AMC, and they bought 1, 2, 3, 10 shares of AMC, and we did squeeze because of the commercial. And then the SEC's like, we need to investigate your intentions with making this commercial. This is market manipulation. I just show them the live stream here where we were brainstorming together about a commercial that we would all enjoy watching. I don't know. I think it's a good idea. I better iron my camel cargo shorts for this video, man. Dude, more wrinkles the better, Sam. Don't even iron them. You're good. I have to reconsider my 15 MOAS prediction. If we hit 30, apparently we will rock it. Carlos, yeah, man. Forget the 15. If we hit 30, apparently we're going to rock it. Farming had 1 billion plus volume. It's to be stuck at 50 cents, let's say. Yeah, Matthew, 1.2 billion I think it traded today. And where's it at right now? I saw that Alpha Centauri is the next closest star to our solar system, around 4 light years away. That's really far, man. That's really far. That's really far, dude. 4 light years. It only takes light like 8 minutes to get from the sun to the earth. And you're telling me it's going to take 4 years? It's that much further away? I can't even do the math. I don't even know what 8 minutes divided into 8 years would be, but that's how much further away this star is than the sun is. That's really far, dude. Forget the moon. The moon's only 240,000 miles. The sun's 93 million miles. That is a lot further. Oh my gosh, that's a lot further than the moon. No, Frodo, that's too far, dude. I can't go that far. I can't go that far. That's boggling my mind, man. Becoming a meme is the key to success, and you will not change my mind on that. And this video has a legitimate chance of doing it. Yes, it does. Yes, it does. I do not want to change your mind on that. I think it's going to happen, man. Why is everyone leaving Robin Hood? One, are they currently leaving Robin Hood or what? I don't know if they're currently leaving Robin Hood because people are upset that Robin Hood and Citadel were going back and forth with each other and the whole Ken Griffin lied thing is out there, or what the deal is right now. But if they're leaving, that could be why. After I have a homeless shelter built, I'm going to renovate a castle in Greece and buy a submersible Lotus Spirit for fun. Christopher. Sounds amazing, man. That sounds amazing. Where are you buying this castle in Greece? Like mainland, or are you going on a Greek island? Why did it only go up for 15 minutes today? Sorry, late to the party. I think it went up for more than 15 minutes today, man. We went up like all afternoon, dude. We went up all afternoon. It wasn't just 15 minutes. I think it went up for much more than 15 minutes today. The 007 Lotus Spirit from the film. Okay. Christopher, that could be a good one. But where are you getting that island at? That's what I want to know. Or where are you getting that? You're getting a whole island. Where are you getting that castle at? Greek island or mainland? How long have you been having that hairstyle, Clay? Nando. So I can tell you probably since around 2015. So my grandma used to cut my hair long time ago, 2015. And she passed away in 2015. Never had my hair cut by anybody other than my grandma. And went to the barber twice after my grandma passed away. One, dude, it might have even been the day of her funeral. I'm not exactly sure. I got a haircut, made myself look good for that, and then got it cut again, and hated both haircuts that the barber gave me. Decided, dude, why would I pay somebody to give me a haircut that I don't even like, and decided to cut my own hair. So been cutting my hair since 2015, and this is what I ended up with. First time I ever even heard of Tesla, granted I was in high school, was when that car picture was a meme and went viral. I am willing to bet that got more views than any commercial. Yeah, dude, I don't know about that specific meme, but I can guarantee you, if you can make something viral like that, it will bring success. Anyone like RGS? Don't know what that is. Somebody else in here, I'm sure, does like it. What motivated you to be a part of the AMC movement? Tomorrow Entertainment. Just the fact that I was talking about the AMC and GME back in January, and there's like so much. I mean, passion is the correct word, but passion sounds funny sometimes. There's so much passion surrounding this AMC Short Squeeze that, like, who would not want to be a part of it? That's the thing. Now, I understand that people can get a little weird sometimes when it comes to, like, arguing or whatever that might stem from the passion. Like, I get that, but that's not what we do in here. We don't argue. We don't do, like, we can debate, sure, all day, but we keep it respectful, and we don't cause any problems. So the passion is just incredible with everybody wanting to see this AMC stock short squeeze. So that's what kind of drew me in after I was already in it. Or it caused me to stay, I guess. The Oort cloud of our solar system is believed to be close enough to exchange comets with Alpha Centauri's Oort cloud. Because science, Frank, still way too far, man. Way too far. I don't know how close that even is, but 4 light years. And I don't even want to start thinking about things that are more than 4 light years away. 4 light years is way too far if the sun is only 8 light minutes away. No. Why was the rally so short today? Big Ox. Time-wise, we just ran into some resistance around $41, man. We got there very quickly. I don't want to say it was a short rally, man. We went from $33 to $41.50. So that's not a short rally by any means. So I'm happy about it. R.I.P. Grandma. Absolutely, Pat. Just got off work. What happened today, Clay? We had a nice run-up today, Todd. Very nice run-up. We don't know where the buying pressure came from, but we are very, very happy with it. Greek Isles with a small private beach. There's a lot of property to spare over there. Christopher, I agree with that. It's been a long time since I've been to Greece. But, yeah, there's a lot of... You can do very well over there. What price will it hit? King. Something very, very high, man. Think of a very, very high number and then double that. That's what it's going to hit. List of things I'm passionate about in order. 1, AMC. 2, Elizabeth. 3, my journey to gaining a wrench. In that order. Right there, guys. Right there. You've heard it here first. It's actually my order too, man. That's my... I do have a wrench on somebody else's channel. So I have the wrench. But yes, AMC, Elizabeth, and a wrench, man. That's in my order as well. Same deal. Angelina likes Greece. Okay, good. Oort cloud is past Pluto. Way too far. Way too far, Frodo. What's up, brother? What's up, RJ? Realistic goal, cheap taxes, loads of freedom compared to the UK. Oh, in Greece. Loads, cheap taxes and loads of freedom compared to the UK. Well, shoot, man, I say go for it. RJ loves Greece. Yeah, a lot of people like Greece, man. When AMC went to 72, was that considered a squeeze or just a really good rally? So, Tomorrow Entertainment, good question. It could have been considered a squeeze, right? Because we did have about 17 million net short shares that were covered. So, if you consider that, it was a culmination of FOMO buying, retail buying, possibly Gamma, and about 17 million shorts. So if you're considering it a short squeeze, then yes, we did have 17 million shares that were shorted, that were returned at that point, and that could have drove the price higher. dang, man. Farming down to 44 after hours. Not looking good. Was sitting at 48 after hours a minute ago. Back down 4 cents. Farming, just kick it up to 57 cents, dude. I don't know what you're waiting on. Angelina, yes. 6.2 Quake in Crete. My gosh. Clay Bro! Coming after my girl. Plot thickens. The stripper, the bachelorette party, who also is officiating our wedding, is her secret lover. My goodness. Dude, this sounds like the soap opera that the commercial is going to be playing during the break-in. Hey, Claybro, did you buy a Powerball ticket for Saturday? Mike, no, I do not have a Powerball ticket for Saturday. Should I? It's Powerball that, man. Do you really think it go over 1,000? Yeah. So Joe Bo, man, Joe Bo. I think it can go over 1,000. Okay. We know that it's possible. Now, will it go over 1,000 is a different question. So, that part I don't know, because nobody knows how high it's going to go. If we all hold, then yes, it will go over 1,000. If people fold, we will not go over $1,000 per share. So, it's a different question to ask if it can, because it certainly can, but will it is a completely different one. What was Gamestop short interest when it squeezed? I don't know what it was when it squeezed, but it was around 130% or 120% at its maximum. AMC will cost more than milk. Milk is very expensive. Milk is very expensive, guys. Let's see. If I lived on a rock, I'd move closer. I'd move to one closer to the sun. Angelina, if I lived on a rock, I'd move to one closer to the sun. It'd be really hot. Some of you guys say things, and I have no idea what's meant. Yes, Frank, but I don't think Clay knows what those are. Dang it, what do I know? No, Frank. Frank, yes, Frodo is correct. I do not know what those are. Also, the Keeper Belt and the Heliop House. They sound really far away, so I don't know. Saturday Powerball, $620 million. Somebody go buy a Powerball ticket for me. If they ever make a movie about this movement and I get to tell my story, I will 100% be sure to mention I watched you at a funeral and still didn't earn a wrench. How you gonna call me out like that, man? Sorry, Clay. I was talking to Chris. Angelina! It's okay. You're allowed to talk to Chris. It wouldn't rain half as much as Manchester. Well, there you go. That might be true. Is it rainy in Manchester? Not exactly sure. Don't know the weather over there. I'll still allow it. Hashtag, I'll still allow it. Wrench in training. Good dude, man. You're a good dude for sure. All right, let's see what we got going on. AMC sitting at 38.20, up 0.37% after hours right now, getting a nice bounce off 37.65. Wow, that was a decent little dip after hours, man. 37.65 up to 38.15, 50-cent run. I like it. Hopefully this upward momentum continues. Shoot, wouldn't it be nice to close after hours tonight at $40 per share? That would be really nice. I like number 200. Keep up the good work, Clay. Like number 200. Oh, Crystal Ball. Thank you very much. Guys, yeah, Crystal Ball reminds me. Don't forget to click the like button. Like number 200. Thank you very much, Crystal Ball. They are really far away, Clay. Don't stress me out, Frodo. Don't stress me out. If they're more than 4 light years away, you can stress me out. It's way too far. Way too far, dude. Manchester has 300 days of rain a year. Dude, if Manchester has 300 days of rain a year, that's bad. I do not like that. Well, looky at Amy. So proud of my girl. Looking forward to tomorrow and more volume. Gone postal. Yes, AMC did very well today, and it is rising after hours. Still looking good at 38.16 per share right now. AMC is more valuable than Hedges realize. Dude, there's no price limit on it. It's extremely valuable. Raining gallons in North Dakota, moving as soon as AMC moons. Angelina, if you're in North Dakota, there might only be like 2 or 3 other viewers that live in North Dakota that watch any video on my channel. So, you need to spread the word. I don't know how many people live in North Dakota, but not a good ratio of... I'm sure there's more than 3 people that live there. So it's not a good ratio of views to population. You need to spread the word a little bit more about the channel. Clay bro, air show this weekend, Huntington Beach, California. Practicing right now, shaking all the windows. It's crazy. Jack Stack Silver. Dang, dude. You got an air show out there. You must live pretty close to the airport or something then, because that sounds like it's going to be intense, man. You're practicing shaking windows right now, so that's good, I guess, if you're getting ready for it. But just don't break anything. Nickelback has a song called Far Away, so just jam out to that and let it hit your feels. I will, man. I'm going to have to jam out to that tonight when I'm working out. NT! Thank you very much for the super chat. NT says, keep it up. Keep it up. God, these are like 5-pounders. Keep it up. Keep it up. Oh, last one. Keep it up. Whew. Thank you very much for the workout, NT. I appreciate that, man. All of you guys out there, make sure to keep it up. That is an intense workout. Those things were at least 5 pounds. Whew, wow. Clay, I am from California. Why does everybody mess with me? If you're saying it's raining in North Dakota right now, that you're moving, how are you living in California? You're from California but live in North Dakota? I don't even know what's happening here. How you guys live in so many different places. Not that far, Clay. Both are in our solar system. Okay, Frodo. Good. You're not stressing me out then. I'm alright. Incredible. How many viewers do you have from Manchester, Clay? I've seen at least 10 in the last one. It is kind of crazy, Crypto Rocketeer, isn't it? Peace to Frank. I didn't see what Frank said, but peace to you, my man. All these super chats, man. Soon you'll be curling more than my boss, bro. Yeah, dude. Boss is bossing too. What was your boss curling? 400. Was it 400? Is that what you said? He was curling. He said he was curling 400. Just an FYI, mail service will start to be slowed down starting this Friday. So when you mail out your giveaways, they'll take a little longer. Mr. Normus, are you talking about the stinking government shutdown? They're not going to be paying people to work for the post office? Oh my God, I don't like these. I guess I'm just going to have to use Amazon then, man. Like I'll just call Amazon and ship it with them. Mr. Normus, what are you doing out there? Guys are supposed to be doing work. What did you say, Crypto? What did you say to Crypto Clay, bro? I don't know. I probably said that there's a lot of viewers from the United Kingdom in here. It's raining in Oklahoma. It is not raining in Ohio. I don't know if it's actually raining in Ohio. It's not raining right here in Ohio, but I don't know if it's raining somewhere else. Almost double the world record. Dude, your boss is bossing. Your boss is bossing, Wrench. My gosh. Clay, what do you think about the new evidence of collusion between Citadel and Robin Hood? Yeah, so my thoughts on that, I don't know where they're getting all this evidence from, right? But if it is true, if it's legitimate evidence, I think those guys are going to probably get in pretty big trouble for what they did. And I'm not just saying, like, you're in trouble. You're in trouble now. I'm like, they should actually get in trouble for colluding back and forth between each other to take buy buttons away and letting each other know when they're selling the stock and so on, so that they can benefit to themselves over their customers. Dixie, it was approved, I thought. Nope, just our service in general. All right, good. Just the postal service in general is going to be slowing down on Friday. Shut down, and now the keychain wasn't making it for sure. I don't know if if it got approved, then there's no shutdown. But Newfo, did you get your keychain yet? Post office doesn't get affected by government shutdowns. Well, dude, I think if the shutdown was long enough, you probably would get affected. I think if it was long enough, everybody would be affected. Mr. Enormous, I saw you in MK's chat, man. What's up? Did you guys say hi to each other? Or is it like when you go out to a restaurant and you see somebody that you went to school with and you're like, yeah, I don't really want to talk to them right now. Do you just act like you didn't see them out there? Did you guys say hi to each other or no? Mr. Enormous, no wonder but people are so angry. They just chill out on Fridays, so that's alright. Clay, bro, I meant, what's your opinion on cryptocurrencies? Oh, LWD. I thought you meant what did I say to crypto, like Crypto Rocketeer. I'm very sorry that I must have come off like a complete idiot. But no, dude, I think that so some of these smaller coins out there where you can go out and turn $2 into $72 million over a matter of like 2 weeks, very dangerous. Please do not put your life savings in those, but put $2 in them. See if you get $72 million. Like I say, go for it. But some of the other coins, man, Ethereum, Bitcoin, Cardano, like, I don't know. A lot of the coins that have been around for a while that actually have projects and purposes, I think that they've got a very bright future ahead of them. I think they're going to be here for the long term. And if different governments across the globe try to block them, people still use things that are illegal to use. So I think they got a pretty big future ahead of them. Bro, I told you guys this week, shutdowns are just a load of baloney. The important people still work and get paid. Good. Mr. Enormous is still getting paid. Shout out from the Cayman Islands, where the big investors live. Shoot, man, we need to go to the Cayman Islands. With how you just explained that, isn't what Robin Hood and Citadel do the same thing the Wolf of Wall Street guys do, minus the buy button part? So the Wolf of Wall Street guys were kind of just out there pumping up useless stocks and making a ton on commission because they were over-the-counter stocks. That's like the main difference there. But yeah, you know, they're colluding back and forth with each other, which is it's not allowed. Heliopause is the farthest reach of the solar wind from our sun. Oort cloud is the cloud of last things gravitationally bound to the sun. Frank, how you know all this stuff, man? How you know all this stuff? I don't even know all this stuff. They still sound really far away, though, man. Solar wind. I don't even know what solar wind is. Do we feel solar wind here? I imagine we would. But is it like UV indexes? How do you measure solar wind? I'm so confused. $2 in each crypto for 20 years. Boom! Billionaire. Christopher, billionaire. It's fine, Clet. Thanks for your opinion on crypto. Sorry for the dude. No. Do not explain. Do not say sorry for the confusion, man. That was on my end because clearly I thought you were talking about a guy instead of actual cryptocurrency. Jordan Belfort tweets motivational quotes from a tampon pack and acts like it's original and inspiring. He's so whack. Super fair weather when it comes to stock talks. Yeah, I don't know. I watched his entire interview with Trey at the beginning of this whole ordeal, and I know a lot of people didn't like that. I think he was really trying to play it safe with giving a lecture on like what you would hear if you were to sit down into a personal finance class. I feel like he was, I don't know, kind of muted with what he was saying there. Okay, I was just wondering about the talking to each other about buying and selling part. Yeah. They shouldn't be doing that when it comes to going in and taking buy buttons away and so forth. That's what they shouldn't be doing. Can you tell me how AMC increased from 34 to 41? Yes, Electric Music. A lot of people bought the stock. I know you're, that's a dumb answer. It's the true answer, okay? We had a lot of people coming and a lot of people buying during that run up there. Where they came from, I don't know if it was institutional investors jumping in. I don't know if it was because of the debt ceiling limit being agreed upon. I don't know if it was because of banks needing more liquidity over the next couple of days. I don't know if it was shorts being covered. I don't know if it was bouncing off support at $34 per share. I do not know what caused the run up, but there was a drastic amount of people coming in to buy the stock. Belfort is in the club. He's against AMC and GME, in my opinion. Shoot, man, I don't like when you're against AMC and GME. Don't do that. Come on now, Jordan. The only takeaway from the Belfort interview was the Aston Martin car reference. I don't even know if that's necessarily, I forget what he referenced in that, but I felt like he was just bragging. at that point. I felt like he was just like, oh yeah, man, I go out and I have $1,000 dinner and whatever. My girlfriend wants an Aston Martin, so I buy her an Aston Martin. Yes, Christopher Belfort is a bad example. Maybe everybody love the show. Hit the like button. Thank you, Ahmed. Click that like button, guys. He didn't say anything else because of fear of lawyers. His wages are garnished now for his fraud victims. What's he got to worry about, man? If he's getting all his paychecks taken from him anyway, what's the matter? Fear of lawsuits. Yeah, dude. People worry about stuff. People worry too much about what they say on the internet. Sundial, Game, and AMC lines looking the same. I noticed that earlier, Breton. I did. A rumor AMC aiming to hit 49 tomorrow. I would love to hit the 49 tomorrow. I would love to run to 49. If we hit about 45 tomorrow for those options to make profit, then I feel this is a major attempt at shaking off some paper hands. Yeah, it definitely could be. But if we hit 45 tomorrow, we're going to have a very nice week next week as well. Aren't Aston Martins those cars you get from the dollar store? Yep, that's what an Aston Martin is. He repeated it so many times. I'm going to buy 10 Aston Martins when AMC squeezes. He repeated the lawsuits, or he repeated the Aston Martin thing 10 times? Aston Martin car over. Oh, gotcha. Yeah, he was talking about a lot of stuff like that, man. I don't know. I didn't really like it. No shave, no percent equals 0, 0. Martin. Yeah, no shave, no percent equals 0, 0, man. For sure. He was flexing with the car. It came out of nowhere. My girlfriend wants a car that costs more than double your house, and I wanted to pay cash, but the dealer was like, nah, man, interest is low. Yeah, dude. I thought it was weird too, Wrench. I thought it was weird too, man. That was just me, though. I'm talking about going out to dinner and spending thousands of dollars on a dinner. He makes money from the movie. I imagine he would. Reject the technocrats in their own arena, and in Wall Street, SDPI, the next meme stonk battle for the heartlands from the Rhine River to the Appalachian Mountains to the Pacific Ocean. Penny for a Burnout's War Story. That was a pretty good one, man. M. James, shout out to Chloe Bailey and Autumn. They are big fans, Clay. Just like me, you're my Just like me, you're my number one. Do we make number one status? Did we make number one status with M. James? Shoot, man. If we made number one status with M. James, boom, baby. That was the best thing that could have happened today. Shout out to Chloe Bailey and Autumn. Hopefully you guys are having a great day today. Chloe Bailey and Autumn and M. James as well. Number one favorite. A number one favorite. A number one favorite. Ooh, ooh, ooh. M. James, you got a drone. You're in charge of shooting the commercial that's going to be taking place in California near a beach. So we designated you drone man. Just to let you know. Hopefully you got a drone. If not, you're going to have to go buy one. I read a lot and live on Science Channel and other educational TV. Oh, very good, dude. If I win the lottery, I'm buying $1 million worth of AMC shares. Andrew! Nice, man. Were these hedge funds actually forced to cover? Well, the risk becomes too high. I mean, heck, I don't want to wait anymore for this squeeze. Sorry, my impatience. LWD. I feel like they came out of nowhere, man. When the risk increases so far, they will be forced to cover. Wolf talked from a perspective of a short hedgy. Yeah, maybe. It sounded to me like he was talking from the perspective of a conservative finance teacher. I think he knows it's going up, but doesn't want to get involved. Yeah, probably. M. James, yeah, I'm really happy about that. Really happy about that number one thing there. AMC to Uranus. Wow, shoot, dude. It's farther than the moon. Let's get another 8% tomorrow. Let's do it, Alan. I want that. You're my number 7 favorite. Who are the 6 people in front of me? Andrea. Who are the 6 people in front of me? I need to know. Me sitting here next to my 5 drones. Carson. M. James. Designated. Carson, Cloud does it for a living. What, drone flying? Shoot, if Carson Cloud does it for a living, maybe we designate Carson to do it. I don't know. I 3D print my drones. Kelby! Are you serious? You 3D print drones? That was a serious question, so I'm going to ask it again. Oh, I also am legitimately curious. Isn't his story largely about how he's a criminal? Why does everyone look up to him? Yeah, man, and I think everybody looks up to him because, think about it. And I'm not ripping on Antics, but Antics really likes that lifestyle of making a ton of money that you can do whatever you want to do with it. Now, me, I'm going to sit here and tell you, don't be a thief. Don't be a thief. And in one aspect, yes, he wasn't really thieving when he was lying to the people that were buying the stocks, and he would probably argue that he wasn't really lying, he was stretching the truth. But when you're kind of scamming or tricking somebody into doing something, it's almost the same thing, man. It's almost the same thing. I don't know. I think people just like that lifestyle of being able to do whatever they want, whenever they want, not listening to anybody, and making millions of dollars doing it. But at the same time, you are correct. Sam, guys, if you're thinking about thieving, don't thieve. These green crayons are super scrumptious, J-Bones. Yes, they are, man. Here's a conspiracy. Belfort is helping Vlad and Kenny behind closed doors. That would suck, wouldn't it? Peace out, Clay. I'll see you tomorrow. It's time. Stacks Ape Nation, man. Enjoy the rest of your afternoon/evening. Funny how 38 today feels so much different than 38 a week ago. I know, dude. It's like coming out of winter time when it's 50 degrees after you're coming off winter. 50 degrees feels very nice outside. When you're coming off summer, 50 degrees is like, oh man, this is really cold out. It's all in perspective, man. It's all about perspective. Clay lives in some village called Ohio. Facts. Facts, man. No hat. I do live in some village called Ohio. Everyone's a thief. Andrea. Not everyone's a thief, man. AMC. Yeah, Jimenez. We got that. Talking about drones. I bought 5 drones off Facebook. $90 each. Ad said they were on sale, had camera, HD camera. I ordered thinking I could sell 4 later on and never received a single drone. Dang, dude. I don't like that story. Did you get your money back? It's about what you really know about him. What kind of deal did he do? It's about what you really know about him. What kind of deal did he do? What do you mean? We talking about Jordan still or what? Clay, bro, did you say I sound like a conservative finance teacher? I invested in both AMC and GME. No, not you, LWD. I was saying more or less the interview. You sounded like a conservative finance teacher when Jordan was talking to Trey, telling you, just going on about inflation and interest rates and, diversification and all the stuff that he was talking about in that. He sounded like a conservative finance teacher. Not you, dude. You definitely didn't sound like a conservative finance teacher when you were saying you wish we would squeeze already. Follow-up question. If he is known as a criminal, should we not want him with us? Should we not want him with us, seeing as we're supposed to be the embodiment of the retail straight shooter who wants a fair market? Yeah, I guess it depends on how you define criminal, right? Some people look up to him as a hero because of that lifestyle that he lived. Others look up to him as, not look up to him, but look down on him as someone who stole a lot of money from a lot of people. So, tough situation, man. Tough situation. I guess it all depends on your personal thoughts and how you view somebody else. Hey guys, please check out Karen Cloud on TikTok. Good work. Karen Cloud on TikTok. Check it out, man. Absolutely. Good work. Doing something. Don't know what they're doing, but good deal. Check them out. Clay, do you have horses? I like horses. They're beautiful. No, I do not own any horses, man. Horses are a lot of work. You have to pay a lot for a high-quality drone with a nice camera. My cheapest drone setup is $2,500 plus. Carson, if this is true, maybe you can shoot the commercial. And M. James can dance in the commercial. Support my fellow ape. Is it you, Trapper? Shoot, if it's you. Yeah, it's me, bro. Go! I'm at the TikTok. I don't know who it is, but somebody go follow him. He's a good dude. Go follow Carson on TikTok then. Diamonds Everywhere. Thank you very much for the super chat. Diamonds Everywhere says it's time to get that dip and shove down. You guys got that hot dog right there. That hot dog's looking so good. Dip it. You got to dip that hot dog down, whatever we're dipping it in. And then you take it, man, and you just tilt the head back a little bit. And Dip and shove that hot dog, baby. Thank you very much, Diamonds Everywhere, for the super sticker. I appreciate that. I know everybody else does as well. And M. James doesn't use TikTok, otherwise he would. He does drone work. Nice! Drone work is good work. Here's the deal, guys. It's 5 o'clock. 5 o'clock somewhere? Definitely 5 o'clock in Ohio. So let's get our names in the chat right now so we get those shout-outs going. Thank you, everybody, for hanging out this afternoon. We're going to watch AMC, hopefully trickle higher into after-hours trading, currently at 38.34. I want to see $40 close by 8 p.m. tonight. That's going to be beautiful. And hopefully continue that action there. Let's get these shout-outs going. Make sure to click every link in the description below. Check all that good stuff out. We've got M. James, AMC Trapper, Brovely, Matthew, Phoenix, Mark, Carson, Frodo, Matthew, JB, and Crypto Racketeer dabbing on him like always. Phineas is Phineas, DD214, 11 Simon, see you later as well, man. You guys know in 3 hours the video is going to be released, 8 p.m. Eastern time, so do the math on whatever time that is for you. Mr. Enormous, see you later at AM Gap Up. I would love a pre-market gap up tomorrow. Carson says 60 plus tomorrow. Let's check it out, Carson. Hopefully we get it. Frodo, see you later. Caesar, Gorilla, Gilligilla Island, Frank, AMC Trapper, M. James, Pat, Markey. Boom! Shout out to you. I'm cool. Be cool, bro. Absolutely. You as well. Marquise, see you later. Love you, Clay. Love you too, M. James. 11 Mr. Simon. I'll see you guys all later. Marcos, we got them diamond-handed apes in here, baby. Oh, yes. I'm in a brotherly relate. Of course, man. Caesar, peace out to you as well. Now, guys, subscribers. Okay, saw that. Guys, if you want to say it with me, say it with me. Until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.